Okay, so I bought one of these Wi-Fi smart bulbs. I'm screen recording this video, that's why it's in this mode. All you have to do is point at the QR code and it will recognise it and open up on the App Store. So Smart Life, Smart Living is the bulb that we want. I've already installed it. Hit open. So now if I go back, there's the bulb. We can pick how bright the bulb is or how dark, so that's all adjustable. I don't know what this is, bright and plain. I don't seem to make a lot of difference. Go back, then we've got, so have a click on the bulb, we've got colours, so we can basically turn this wheel around and it will adjust to whatever colour you want. And there we go, so it's better if it's on bright here. There we go, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue. But we've also got, which I thought was quite nice, is scenes. So these are like preset modes. So we've got a nighttime mode, a reading mode, party mode. Well, that's party mode, doesn't seem to, not changing colour. Leisure, soft. Then we've got rainbow, which changes colour on its own, which is rather smart. Then we've got shine. So I'll put the link for this bulb in the description from Amazon. We paid $16.99, I think. Let me just look it up. Now this bulb doesn't need a hub. It just operates on its own. $16.49 we paid for this Wi-Fi smart bulb. The manufacturer is spelled LYASI. But yeah, I'm quite impressed really. And the last one is gorgeous, which is, oh yeah, it's got like a sort of shimmer to it. So if I go back, I don't know what these are here. Dark, bright. Oh, so you've got, so even on the presets it looks like you've got mode, so I've slowed that down. Yeah, that's impressive, isn't it? Oh, keep doing the wrong one. Scene, so that was gorgeous. So if I put it on rainbow, how fast does that change? Oh yes, that's on slow, so if I put it on fast, oh that's not so relaxing, is it? I can see why they keep it on slow. So we go back to white, let's go bright, see how bright it goes. It's quite a decent light actually, it's 7 watts it's rated at, but it's lighting up this room pretty nicely. So that's it really. The way you set it up initially was to turn off your switch 3 times in quick succession and the light sort of pulsates. When it's doing that you can then pair to it. You need to have a mobile phone number to do this, so you do it with a mobile phone with an active mobile phone number and then they text you back a once used code, and that's how it works. But yeah, so I'm impressed really. There's a profile thing, I don't know what that is. What is that? I'll have to cover up my number there. Device sharing, message send. Oh, you can share with other devices. So this is my son's bulb for his room. I've set it up on my phone. I don't really know if there's a way of resetting it, but I would imagine there must be. But if not, I'll share control of the bulb with him, and then he's got that as a device. Now if you turn the bulb off by the light switch, so if we go back, let's put it on something that we can tell it's on. So let's go for a nice sort of orange and bright. Now if I go and turn the light switch off, wrong one. When you turn it on again, it comes on at the last setting that was on, which is quite handy. So if you wanted to leave it, you know, like a normal bulb, you can. But yeah, so I'm impressed. Basically, his bulb went wrong, and I said to him, I said, why don't you try one of the LED smart bulbs? And he thought it was a good idea. So there we are. Right, I'm looking for 1,000 subscribers because of YouTube's new rules. So if you wouldn't mind clicking on subscribe, that would be very handy. And I hope to release more videos of this sort of style of product again. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.